behind all of this? This is a disgrace, and all of you are a disgrace to the school. Go inside and talk among yourselves and figure out kung sino at papaano mananagot ang may kagagawa nito.
Kasi nagpasabog ka para ba may nasaktan?
Pwedeng wag i-big deal?
Easy lang, tol. Nasaktan, di ba?
Kung panaginip to, saan nagising na ako ngayon? Kasi isang malaking bango tong flop na party na to.
Flop? How dare you hindi flop ang party ko? Aray ko! Eh, flop naman talaga yung party ko! Yan ako! Flop yung party ko! Stop it!
Ma'am, pwede ako po ang unang magsalita. Gusto ko lang po sanang sabihin na I condemn this rebellious act done by my fellow students. I myself, I'm also a victim here.
That's enough. Ako lang ang magsasalita dito. As a member of the Student Disciplinary Board, we have all decided na hindi na magkakaroon ng disciplinary hearing.
Diretso parosa na lang.
Teka lang po, ma'am. As I've said, biktima lang po ako dito. Wala akong kasalanan. I'm not responsible for this.
Lahat kayo, responsable dito. Kayo man ang nag-organize o kayo ang nanggulo, or were mere guests to this party. Lahat kayo, equally responsible dito. Kaya lahat kayo, papatawan ng parusa.
Ano pong parusa?
Your ill behavior warrants suspension and expulsion.
Pero ma'am, scholar po ako dito. Mawala yung scholarship ko pag nasuspend ako.
Well, maswerte kayo. Because the disciplinary board understands this. And they are very much aware na kung masuspend kayo or ma-expel, tiyak na lahat kayo wala ng future. And we don't want that. Of course, you all have a lot ahead of you. And that's why we've decided to give you another chance. Lahat naman kayo nakita namin na nagsusorry at napatunayan na nagsisisi kayo sa mga pinaggagawa ninyo. That's why you will undergo a self-improvement and self-enhancing program kung saan huhulma at huhubog ang inyong mga sarili so that you can all be model students of this school.
Programa na naman yan.
You will all undergo a recollection.
Recollection? Yun na yun?
Anong klase parusa yun?
Corny, ah!
Baduy.